So this is where we buy our live chicken. See, we are on our way to the village. Koto live akoko for Mother's Day. Yeah. Hello, Enyano. Welcome back to May's Tasty News. Today we came to buy live chicken. Maybe I'm talking live chicken when I'm making my food. So this is the company. Follow me, let's go. Thank you. So this is where we buy our live chicken. See, I'm showing you later. Then I will tell you people about the history, how they started and how far they have reached. See equipment. This is a poultry farm. Charlie. Wait, no, and then they will feed them with it. Let me show it. Where do you get your live chicken? Where do you buy them? It's here. So I will tell you the history about this. Yeah, I think. Yeah, this is my boots. This is my box.
Zet hij maar hoog, En daar nu met de bug, hè? Oh ja, die schoenen weer uit. Schoenen weer uit?
Ja.
Ik heb speciaal meteen een nieuwe schoenen, dus dat ze zeker weten dat het kinderen was. Ja, precies. Ja, want ik heb dat gelezen. Over de vogelkrimper. Ja, dat is...
This is the company. Very, very big. Very beautiful and very big. Very, very nice. Wow. This one, they have to come and do a proper vlog and show everything. My little one followed me. Genzo, hi. Hi. You watch, baby. To wait. So, this is me in the company. Hi. Say hi. You watch. To see my husband with his colleague. We on any papa company. So see how nice and big. Very, very nice and big. I think I have to ask him about their history and I will add it. Hi. Sorry.
Up there.
I'm vlogging up. See, it's such a big company. They have like 3 of this. Very, very big. Yeah. Do you know their history? Or you don't know? You know? The grandfather started it. And the father came.
And then took over. When they started as
if it's not because he has appointment, I would have asked him to talk about it.
Next time.
Yeah. Yeah? Yeah. Like this is new. Oh, so we are going. He's taking us to another section. So we are going to check. Wow, all this farmland is for them. So if you really want to be rich, I'll buy a farmland in Poultry. Or share in Salmon Sassy.
Tot, ja, hij is misschien afzien, maar staat uit een paal. Paal is een ander, je gaat de rechtslijn echt tot die paal daarin.
Oh ja, ik zie het weer.
Ja.
This one day I have to come again and make proper vlog.
Daar staan de stallen al inmiddels wel bovenop.
Wow.
En dan hebben ze gewoon de bomen verplaatst.
It's nice.
Ja, is gewoon opgepakt zo en dan neergegaan.
It's nice, eh?
Ja, it's nice.
Maybe I have to come again for proper.
Yeah,
how
proper
do you
video.
make it? Yeah, and we talk about the history
Ja, dat is no problem.
because it's nice. I was shocked.
Ja, kijk en dadelijk nou omdat het...
Wow, this is very beautiful, beautiful. Aha, it's a very nice place. Unfortunately, he has an appointment and must go. So I think, say, I have to maybe take you people around small. Then next time I will come for proper interview. Maybe we put the questions. Say, then how? Almost starting is saying, yes, and a grandfather, and a starting. Enti ofri mu no ana ne papa ebeto aso na ono nso e de ne ho abe join ne papa. Now they have big farmlands. It's very big and nice. I think that broche if you want to be rich and you buy a farmland na aduane and a poultry farm. And you Ghana I'm going to your poultry farm or when you go. You can also make poultry farm in Abroche. Yeah, and get money. So this is where I buy my live chicken. When himself for May's tasty meals, the baby Adrian will be a day. You will intimate there will be a sister wash me. I think say Emra is Semuno. Mesha that be interview Papa near who say yes. This is what you can do to make money in Abroche. Obi my so yeah, you know you go right there. By next 5 years, I will be showing you said this is my poultry farm because I'm taking the step. But when you say baby, Adriane what ye me wo ho. Until let's go. Maybe you want you there. Yanko to your car na yanko there you there. Okay. See. I'm in chai. Let's go. Yanka. Yes. Ja. Alles goed met jou? Zie je kop? We are going. Yeah. I love